સ્વતંત્ર ભારતના લોકશાહીના તમામ જે નાગરિકો છે એ પૈકીના જે ગે કોમ્યુનિટી છે, લેસ્બિયન છે, ટ્રાન્સજેન્ડર છે, એ તમામની બાબતે 2 વર્ષ પહેલાં સુપ્રીમ કોર્ટે એક ચુકાદો આપી અને એમને જે ફ્રીડમ આપી છે, સમાજે એને આવકારી છે, સરકારે પણ આવકારી છે. હું તમામ મિત્રોને આ તબક્કે ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છાઓ પાઠવું છું. તમને તમારી સ્વતંત્રતા પ્રમાણે બંધારણના નિયમોનું પાલન કરતા જીવવાનો અધિકાર છે અને એ રીતે આપ ખૂબ આનંદથી સારી રીતે તમારું જીવન વ્યતીત કરો એવી હું હૃદયપૂર્વક શુભકામનાઓ પાઠવું છું. એસીપી અલ્પેશ રાજગોર, ડી ડિવિઝન, વડોદરા શહેર.
Hello everyone, I'm Rukaya Hudson and I'm from MSU Baroda Psychology Department. I have worked as an intern at Lakshya Trust Vadodara for 3 months and still provide voluntarily services whenever required. On this grand occasion, I would like to congratulate each and every community members as well as Lakshya Trust member for completing 2 years of Section 377 decriminalization. It has been a greatest achievement India could achieve on this era. Also, yes, after these many years, positive change has been seen. Now society is more acceptable, but still there has been few organizations, hospitals, schools where still community people face inequality as well as cases of sexual harassment at these places. So that change has to be brought down. Another thing that I wanted to share was that while working with Lakshya Trust, I came across a situation where community members having full financial security were not able to purchase house where they wanted to because they belong to this community. So that discrimination has to be brought to notice to the government. So that change has to be there. I would lastly wish all the courage and success and all my best wishes to Lakshya Trust as well as all the community members. Congratulations once again and thank you. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, my name is Guguldas Nair. I have worked with Lakshya Foundation in the past, which has helped me understand and experience the various hardships that the community has been undergoing through all these years. After the historical judgment last year, a lot has changed among people regarding their awareness and availability. I would say this is just the starting of it, and I wish a lot of success and every support to the community.
Hello everyone, my name is Fareem Patel and I have been studying in the Department of Psychology and Education. I am from MSU. I had done my internship with Lakshya Trust for 3 months and I'm still volunteering for them. Congratulations on this day as we celebrate 6th September as the 377 verdict by the Supreme Court. It was abolished and the decriminalization was lifted. So I congratulate everyone of the community of LGBT and I really would like to say that it had been a very good experience with Lakshya Trust. It had been a feeling, a new perspective towards life, how brave they were to fight their struggle through everything. Yet there were some points that came up that I had to see that there is lack of education, and it's not that lack of education is less for the LGBT community. It's good. There are government has been able to give them education rights, but I prefer that education not only for the LGBT community but more education should be given to the society so that they are ready to accept the community. There are still many places where this is not accepted, and when children come up with their sexual identity, parents are having difficulty to accept them. They think that being a gay or a lesbian is an illness, so they send them to religious conviction centers that they'll become alright if they go for a religious center. So, and one more thing came up that not all transgenders or the members of the community have anxiety or depression. They are fine, they are good, The problem is with the society. They are pressurizing so much on for them to be so normal that they are not able to come up. They are not able to show their true selves. Education is required for the society, and education rights for the LGBT community for sure. So I really think that it will be a very good idea to give education rights, and especially for the society, and not think that everybody is having anxiety or depression. They are just doing fine. They are doing what they're supposed to do. They are right. The society is wrong for thinking in a different perspective towards them. So when this 377 came up, most of the people actually had a very positive reply towards it, and the community was very happy. So congratulations for that. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for your support. Be brave, and the LGBT community rocks.
Hello friends, myself Utkarsh Gangera. I am a psychotherapist and counselor from Sambandh Clinic, Vadodara, Gujarat. सभी फ्रेंड्स को सेक्शन 377 के सेकेंड एनिवर्सरी पे मेरी तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल ऑफ यू. कोविड की वजह से इस बार हम वर्चुअली मिल रहे हैं. सो 2 साल में बहुत सारे चेंजेस हुए हैं. आप लोगों ने भी वो महसूस किए होंगे सोसाइटी में, एंड लोगों को पता चला है व्हाट इज़ LGBTQ कम्युनिटी. क्या है LGBTQ? साइकोलॉजिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू या मेंटल हेल्थ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू मुझे जो लग रहा है कि पेरेंट्स जो है वो अपने बच्चों को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रहे. फैमिली की तरफ से जो एक्सेप्टेंस मिलना चाहिए वो उतना नहीं मिल रहा जितना मिलना चाहिए. उसकी वजह से बहुत सारे लोगों को प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं, स्ट्रेस बढ़ रहा है, डिप्रेशन में आ रहे हैं, और प्रेशर में शादी हो रही है. सो आने वाले टाइम में हम आशा रखते हैं कि ये जो गैप है वो कम हो और आप सही मायने में एंजॉय कर पाओ अपनी लाइफ को, अपने राइट्स को. और ये सेक्शन 377 आने के बाद कम्युनिटी की भी एक सोशल और नैतिक जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि हमारा बिहेवियर भी ऐसा हो कि लोग हमें अच्छी तरह से एक्सेप्ट कर पाए. So I hope all of you are safe in COVID, and all the best for your future. And कोई भी हेल्प की ज़रूरत हो या कोई भी गाइडेंस की ज़रूरत हो, आप बेझिझक मेरा कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. राइट, आपकी मैनेजमेंट टीम के पास मेरा नंबर होगा. यू कैन आस्क देम एंड आई विल हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू एनी टाइम. ऑल द बेस्ट, and again congratulations to all of you. Enjoy the real freedom. Bye.
Hi, I'm Amul Joshi from the Minds Foundation. On the second anniversary of removal of Article 377, which decriminalizes the homosexuality in India, I wish all the best to the frontliners who have done a great job to fight against the stigma and discrimination. And also, I wish that more opportunities should come for those whom are from the community, and they should be given a chance to mainstream, particularly in such segments which are still considered neglected or deprived of their rights as a human. I wish all the best to Lakshya Foundation in their courage and in their efforts to bring down the stigma around the LGBT community, and they are doing a tremendous work. All the best wishes to all of you. Thank you.